So, hello friends, how are you? So, let's get going. This topic, as it's coming on your screen, relates to traveling, and of course, the part two consists of child. So, welcome back to Robert's Tutorials. And if you have any IELTS doubts, you can clear by dialing 977-354-1320. So, let's get going. I'm going to ask a few questions to the candidate. So let's see how he responds. And if his response is good, he may get more than 7 bands. But remember that your fluency counts in IELTS exams. Fluency and of course your pronunciation and your logical answers and many more things. Hello, welcome. So let's talk about traveling. Do you enjoy traveling? Uh, yes. In fact, I love traveling as much as anything. And I love traveling long distances, especially to places, hilly areas. And as far as traveling is concerned to the city, I don't like much because of the congestion and traffic and noise and everything. But yes, of course, traveling as far as is concerned to to the hilly areas, I enjoy it. Because I think traveling can reduce our stress. If we keep on traveling, we can reduce our stress to a long extent and we can enjoy our life as well. Have you done much traveling? Yes, yes, yes. I've done much traveling during my college days because I was studying in Karnataka, and over there I used to travel a lot because I used to go from here to Karnataka and then back to Hyderabad, and over from Hyderabad to our college. So that requires a lot of traveling. Not only that, I used to travel even on the weekends. We as a group of friends, we used to go to Hyderabad to just enjoy a lot of things over there. The Hussain Sagar Lake, we used to just enjoy. We used to go to other places. We used to go to temples and a lot of things. Do you think it is better to travel alone or with other people? Well, that depends on your mood. Well, I think if you are sad, I think I just go out on my own without anybody and just travel here and there. In fact, to not much longer distances, maybe 4 or 5 kilometers. But if I'm in good mood, then I just ring a friend and we just go out and have fun. Maybe to a mall or maybe to have dinner at, at, at a hotel or maybe a restaurant. So that depends on the people, on the mood also. And yeah, yes, of course, I think traveling is better if you travel with other people because long distance, especially the long distance traveling, because you don't get bored. Otherwise, you may find traveling very, very troublesome or maybe uh, full of boredom. Where would you like to travel in the future and why? Yes, I would like to travel to Europe, especially France, because I love seeing Eiffel Tower, the marble, the the marvelous thing of Europe and Switzerland and many other places, and the beauty of the mountains and the beauty of the seas. I would like to see, I would like to cherish those beautiful moments. Okay, fine. So let's get on to part two. Here I will give you a topic. and on which you will have to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes. I will stop when needed. For that, I will give you 1 minute to prepare your answer. The part two is on your screen. Okay, so now you have to describe a child that you know. Yes, so I'm going to talk about a child who used to live here some time back, not now. Uh, she was a lovely girl. Her name was Kanu, and she was very talkative child. She only used to uh, talk a lot. And in fact, she was the daughter of one of the tenants. And I used to give him her chocolates and maybe sometimes toffees, uh, cookies, and other things. And she's still now somewhere in the vicinity of our house. She's very sweet child. She talks a lot, and I used to see her a lot. In fact, she was very funny girl also. And whenever I used to ask her something, she always responded uh, mm, by saying some funny answers. In fact, we used to laugh on her, and she also used to laugh on herself. That was amazing. And this child is, I think, now maybe she may be older. She may be now maybe 9 years old. But now, earlier when she was younger, she was just 3 years old. And I used to uh, ask her that where is her school, and she used to say there only means othe. Othe means in Punjabi that means over there. So I used to ask her where, but she because she didn't know much longer answers, she used to say othe. So her answer was always very funny, and she was a normal looking girl, and she was means some brownish girl, brownish color girl, and I feel very good about her. And she was very funny, she was very witty, and I used to give her a lot of things. Okay, so let's get on to part three. So that's all. So that was all about the answers we have discussed. I think you may like the answers, and if you like the answers, you can respond back to Robust tutorials. And if you want to clear your IELTS or PTE doubts or any English related doubts, you can just dial my number and you can get classes also. So bye for now. See you in the next time.